Hey, well, today, Thursday, we have a service where we can see clearly that this door has an opening closing problem, big time. It will wrap in winter, it won't even open in summer. We can see the different factors that can create this. It's either, once again, too much foam. In this case, could be these two driver screws reach the wall and push the frame. I already removed the foam here, so the caulking, sorry, so there's enough foam being spread. So yeah, installation itself, it's level. I already checked, but regardless, it's level, it's defected. So if the installation is level but is defected, defeats the purpose of being level. So gotta be done twice, no business on that. So we're proceeding to remove the caulking. And then we're gonna continue removing the whole door system. So this is how you remove your caulking. This is why you pay top dollar for thermoelastic caulking. This is the beauty of thermoelastic caulking. See? That's why it costs a lot of money, but it's beautiful. Modern silicons. One shot, no mess. So over here as well, it's been shim, nice, right location, enough foam, shim in the right locations. So I can say that it's a lot of foam. Still, this door has been raised too much. There is a concrete threshold right underneath here. It's a bulky part that just, it's like a step. So we're gonna use the jackhammer to remove that so we can drop the door to the floor level. And so as we can see here, it's raised a lot. This is part of the floor here, but there's a lot of space there, and it will drop the header so it's not so tight and close to this box. Alrighty, so I'll keep you posted with how this gets solved today for sure.